So welcome back to the channel, guys. In the last video we have seen the stator and the shaft part, but actually we have missed something in that also. We have to not missed, actually we have left something for today. So for the today's video we are going to design some more part over that, but one thing I have to tell you that the stator which we have designed is only the metallic part, or the uh, body of the motor that we have to design. We have not used the coiling system over it, and we will see that in some another videos, that how we can design the proper stator with the shaft and the coiling part of that in upcoming videos, but not in this series of video. So I will show you the method of those two, but for currently we are going to see the motor parts. Okay, so today what we are going to do, we are going to select the part design, and let's build it, let it be built. So for the part design, what we are going to do, we are going to select the front plane again. Oh, it's not ready yet. Yeah, front plane again, go for sketch. And what we are going to do today, we are going to select the sorry, again a circle of 5 mm, that will become our hole for the soft part. Again on another circle of, I think, 15 mm. What happened to this now? Yeah, what the heck, I think it's taken. Okay, let's go with 15. 15. Okay, that's good. And now what we are going to do, we are going to design some uh, what we can say that, let's go with a rectangle. Not like that, like that. Let's go with the smart dimension. Let's go with 10 mm. And for this, what we are going to do, we are going to select 25, I think so. And now what we are going to do, we are going to simply trim these part, and uh, let's select an arc, 3-point arc actually. Select this, and select this. So this part is now ready. So what we can do now is go for sketch, select the linear circular pattern, and just delete this one. Let's select this one, and I think that will be okay for the 4. Yeah, let's hit okay. It's not taken effect. Let's go for again sketch, select this one, go for circular pattern, and hit ok. Now it's taken the effect. So now what we are going to do, we are going to simply extrude these part Okay, select this one, this one, this one, this one, and the circle one to 10 mm. That's okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select this plane, go for a sketch, and again we are going to draw a circle over here and another circle over here. Let's give them the dimensions. This will be of 5 mm, and this will be of 15 mm. Let me disconnect the internet first. Yeah, and now what we are going to do, we are going to extrude the base, yeah, up to 15 mm. That's it. Okay, and we have to extrude it up to both sides. So what we are going to do, we are going to edit this feature, and direction 2 we will take, yeah, like that. Hit OK, and now what we are going to do, it's more of like what we are needed for, but let's go with this. Let's set the appearance for this. For appearance, what we are going to do, we are going for the appearance and metallic color. Where is the metallic? And what we are going to do, we are going to select the bronze or the brass one. Is there, yeah, copper. That will be the exact what we needed for that, not the complete part, only that face and this face too. This one too, yeah, and this will be the uh, iron part, or the we can go with the jinx, brushed jinx, yeah, that's okay. So it will with a part of stator where the metal actually the coils are soldered. So that's all for today. uh, we will see another part in another video. Bye bye.